So I just have to figure out if I'm gonna wear it as a handbag or a shoulder bag, and I don't know yet. Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz, and today I have my newest Mlouye unboxing. So if you haven't seen my first Mlouye unboxing, my very first one, I'll link that down below for you to watch next. But basically, I was researching another brand and purse, stumbled upon this company, and went to the website and loved it. Ordered a few things, and so now I am unboxing and reviewing as they come in, and their designs are so neat that it's just so fun almost to get it, like extra, because you don't even really know what you're getting because the designs are just so different. So I'm very excited to unbox this one today. It is a different shape, design, all of those things. So if you're interested to see my first impressions on it, my review and all of the things, then just keep watching. Okay, so it comes in their signature kind of greenish, like a muted green sage box, which I love this color. Really pretty with the name branding on the front. And then a little sticker on the tissue paper there, which it's so nice to receive items you ordered almost in a gift wrapping fashion. I always love that. And a lot of higher end brands do that, and it is nice. Okay, so already by the feel of this, that is interesting. The shape. Okay, and it comes in this beautiful cotton dust bag with a little ribbon sewn on with the name branding there. And then the ribbons for the dust bag. Okay. And here it is. Okay, first impressions. I love the shades of red. I'm very red picky, and this is a true red, a classic red. I would say it isn't leaning cool or warm. If anything, it looks like maybe this one color's a little cooler and these are a little deeper. And then there's a panel here that is in like a suede. Now, the thing about this, and this is my first time holding it, I actually haven't even seen any reviews on this. I just saw it on the website and loved it and purchased it. Okay, so took the inside out. So there is just one strap to hold it. And this wrapper has a little Mlouye sticker on it as well. Okay, so I'm gonna have to look up how to work this. But the thing I do know, let's play around before I look. So the thing I liked about this is it actually can go into this neat shape. So I think you probably put it somehow through this one, or you can wear it as a normal kind of flat purse, which is really cool. And then as you fill it up, it will slope. So already this is really, really neat and really neat to hold. That's just so unique. Okay, so let's see the inside. The inside is kind of a canvas-like material. The upper is the suede material on the outside and the inside. There are 2 slotted pockets on the interior. The hardware is their same kind of traditional rectangular shape with a clasp there that opens and closes to get the strap on and off a little easier, which, let's see, you can do that. Oh, and there's 2 zippers. Okay, so let's see. So there's 2 zippers. That's cute. So probably for when it's in its triangular shape, or is that what we're gonna call it? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's just me. I just love these like neat geometrical designs. I just think they're so unique. Probably because I have so many classic handbags, which you should have. Those are the staples. But I don't like to have repeats. So I'm not gonna have a ton of the same shape of a handbag, just in different colors. So I prefer to get different sizes, different materials, different colors, like as different as possible. So if I am wanting a red purse, all 3 of my red purses are gonna be completely different. They're not gonna look the same, and then that just gives me more flexibility. So this is really cute. And so it looks like you can tighten it up. So you would carry it like that, it appears. You could just carry it as a wristlet too, I suppose, like that. Really neat. So it is a pretty smooth leather outer. There is the name branding right here on the front, not on the back, not on the sides, but it is on the bottom there, which is pretty common for their purses. And then there is a label on the interior as well. Okay, I had to go look up how to convert this because I had watched a quick video on their website and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so neat. And so but I haven't seen any reviews on this. I'm sure there are some up. When I was on the site, I had already decided I liked it. So I just picked it up. So I don't know how to work it. So I looked it up right now and I want to go through it. So there is the wristlet. So you can just hold it like that, all flat as a bag like that. If you want to have it as its triangular shape, they do recommend having the zipper open so that it can really mold. And so of course you can have it, you can just put the end on like this and have it as, you know, in the crook of your arm, which is still a really beautiful and unique shape and design. And then of course you can zip the zippers down to the center. There are 2, which is really nice to enclose your items. And then a really neat part that I thought, another converting item. So just for on the crook of your arm, you just need to put it on the very end, but to get the triangular shape, you do need to go on the other side of the adjuster, and then you pull it like that. Isn't that cute? So this makes it like dressier for, I think, an evening look or just a really neat bag. So really, really cute. And I love the size. So the size, it's not too small, not too big. Let me cut the tag off because I'm keeping this. Okay, so here it is. Just so pretty, and just such a interesting design. You know, I think most of us are always carrying a purse, and so it is fun to mix it up with something a little unique but still really classy. And I think that it's just beautiful. It's so versatile too, with all of these different shapes that it can morph into, and just really, really beautiful. And then of course you can add the strap on. So the strap, I love this type of strap, the button one instead of the buckle. The buckles are just big and kind of distracting, I think, from the overall design. I have a lot of purses that have them, but I really do like these little tab details. I just think that they're less, I don't know, they're more streamlined. And for size comparison, here it is next to the Atlas. So pretty similar, but a little bigger in size. Okay, so I had to play around with it a little to figure it out. Funny that I needed to figure out a purse, but yes, it offers a lot. So I did have to do that. So many different ways that you can carry it. Really easy to change over. Really, really interesting design, beautiful color, love it. So let's see what fits inside. So I have an iPhone 15, a big heavy wallet, my keys. I like to put those at the bottom. I went to Sephora the other day and got some lash primer. I have the Potpourri little lighted mirror. This is really nice with the lights on it. My daughter's little Vaseline lip gloss she uses, a purse holder, some Fenty lip gloss, which is my favorite. I love all the colors. Oh, and it looks like I threw an extra one in here. So this is a bigger purse, so of course easily fits all of those items in there, and it gives a nice slouchy look, which I really like, but then it still keeps its unique design. So still some structure, which is really nice. Now, I don't think that this will fit all that stuff all the way closed, but let's see. So as a handbag, it would. It doesn't really change shape much there. And then they do suggest having this open to have it close all the way. So you just have to make sure to put that at the end, put both straps in, and then you can slide this. So not all my stuff, but if I was wearing this with a dress, I would not have that much stuff because it's really heavy with all that stuff that I have in there. So I would definitely lighten my load if I were wearing this in that manner, which would be with a dress, or, you know, for something a little more formal or nice. All right, ladies, that was my review on the Mlouye Flex. And I actually looked online when I was looking how to work this, and it said it was sold out, but I'm sure that they will make more and it will be back if you're interested. So I just have to figure out if I'm gonna wear it as a handbag or shoulder bag. And I don't know yet. So luckily I have the choices. And if you found this video helpful, interesting, fun, any of the above, please consider giving it a like so that YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it could potentially help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free and I would sure love to have you back. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a really great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.